Go to start, click run, type gpedit.msc or click OK. Go to administrative templates, click control panel, click prohibit access to control panel on PC settings, then click enable, click apply or click OK, then go to start and try open control panel, and that's it. So see this option, hide specific control items. You can do this. If you look inside here, it's the same thing, but it's more fit individual types here over here. You can see example you can need to do. Type command which should add this into your disk. You can enable this, you can show to this. Okay, have another option, click run, type rigidit, click OK. Yes, when you got it's open, you can go to its key current user. Once you're there, you need go to click software. You now can down Microsoft. Then Windows, then current version, then Palaces and Explorer. Inside here, we now click right click new keyword 32-bit value key, and we need to type in here no control panel. That's it. Validate 1 and click OK, and you should now see control panel restricted.